Follow, I'm gonna. Hi, guys. Hi, Spade. May kasama ako, guys. Chicks. Chicks. Hi, Tony.
Just so you understand what this means.
May chicks akong kasama, guys.
Lisa.
Thank you, Tarzan po.
Special.
Thank you. Thank you.
Mom, hi.
Wow.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Come over here with me a second.
Thank you, Tarzan.
What's going on?
Relax, okay?
Grabe ba?
Come on.
Sexy
I'm
naman.
responsible for these.
Tarzan, thank you.
Trick. I'm doing the best.
Ano yan? Sugal ba yan? Or ano?
What would we do without him?
Or ano? Ano yan? May kapiti ka?
Capoeira acquaintance. Would you be topless?
Sabi namin na.
Oh, and 1,764 Instagram followers. How would you?
Okay.
What are you looking at? Namaste! Oh, that's you.
Pam pam paradiram. Pam pam pam. Pam pam paradiram. Pam pam. Hi, Susu Paul. Hello. Malamig. Oo, lamig.
You know what?
Lamig kasi tagulan kasi, guys. Eh.
Guys like you.
Kaya malamig.
Pwede ka ba sabihin dito na ano?
Oo. Ang lamig kasi, guys. Eh. Wait,
What
wait,
makes you
wait.
think that you will ever be anything? If I understood correctly, this is just your
Yeah,
mouth.
it's alright.
Sarap pag may kayakap yun. Totoo.
You don't have any voice.
What should I?
So, things like it.
So much. Hi, guys. Hi, guys, may kasama ako dito. Ang kapalit naman.
Yeah.
Message ka na lang. Basta, malalaman mo pagkatapos mo bagsak.
I'm going to follow you back.
Yo! Thank you, Tarzan!
Yeah.
Malalaman mo yan, Tarzan, pag nag-ano ka na.
So how old are you?
Basta. Basta malalaman mo yan. Trust me. Dapat kasi magtiwala ka lang. Ako to si J. Roa. Hawakan mo ang kamay ko.